everyone, my name is Zahra Nura Nuringtyas and my name is 442513000. And today I would like to share my opinion about smoking in the campus area. This topic is very important because it affects not only smokers but everyone around them. When we talk about smoking, many people think it is just a personal choice. But actually, smoking in public place, including the campus area, can affect others too. As students, we spend a lot of time on campus, so we deserve a clean and healthy environment to study and grow. First of all, smoking is dangerous for all health. Cigarettes contain harmful substances such as nicotine, tar, and carbon monoxide. These chemicals can cause lung cancer, heart problems, and other serious diseases. Even people who don't smoke can be affected by secondhand smoke, which is equally dangerous. Everyone has the right to breathe clean air, especially in a learning environment. A campus should be a place that supports healthy habits, not harmful ones. Allowing smoking in campus area sends the wrong message about what kind of behavior we accept as students. Secondly, smoking also affects the environment. Cigarette butts are one of the most common types of litter found in public places. They take years to decompose and can harm plants, soil, and even small animals. A smoke-free campus will look cleaner, fresher, and more comfortable for everyone. As students, we are the future generation. We are expected to be disciplined, educated, and aware of how our actions affect others. By avoiding smoking in campus areas, we show respect for our community and for the environment. Of course, some people say that smoking helps them relax or concentrate. I understand that, and everyone has the right to make their own choice, but our freedom should never disturb others. That's why I think providing a special smoking area far from classroom and public space could be a fair solution. To sum up, I strongly believe that smoking should not be allowed in the campus area. It is bad for our health, pollutes the environment, and makes other people uncomfortable. As university students, we should be role models who promote good habits and awareness. Let's support a smoke-free campus together. Thank you very much for listening to my opinion. Have a great and healthy day, everyone. Bye-bye. Hello everyone, my name is Zahra Nura Nuringtyas and my name is 442513000. And today I'm going to talk about one of the most important tenses in English, the simple present tense. We use this tense a lot in our daily conversation, so understanding it well is very helpful to speak English naturally. The simple present tense is used when we talk about our daily activities, habits, or things that are always true. It helps us describe what we usually do every day, like I go to campus, I study English, or I breakfast at 7 a.m. This tense is simple, but sometimes people make small mistakes using it. So, let's learn how to use it correctly. The simple present tense describes actions that happen regularly, repeatedly, or fact that never change. For example, the sun rises in the east. That's a fact, it never changes. Another example, I study English every day. That means studying is your daily routine, not just today. We use the simple present tense for main function. 1. To talk about habits or routine. For example, I brush my teeth every morning. 2. To describe general truth or fact. For example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. 3. To show fixed schedule. Like the train leaves at 8 o'clock. 4. To give instructions or directions. For example, open your book. The basic pattern is subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example, I read books every night. But if the subject is he, she, or it, we must add s or es to the verb. For example, he reads books every night, or she goes to school. This small change is really important in grammar. For negative sentence, the structure is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. Example, I do not like coffee, or he does not like milk. Notice that when we use does not, the main verb goes back to its base form. We don't say he doesn't likes, we say he doesn't like. To make a question, start with do or does, then add the subject and verb. For example, do you study English? Or does he work on Sunday? It's simple. Do for I, you, we, they, and does is for he, she, it. Let's look at this table. For I, you, we, and they, the verb stays the same. For example, they play football. But for she, he, and it, we add s or es. For example, he plays football. It's a small detail, but it shows your accuracy when speaking English. The simple present tense often use certain time expression such as always, usually, often, sometimes, never, every day, every week, or on Mondays. Example, I always wake up early, or she never eats breakfast. These words help us know how often the action happens. Let's look at some example. I go to campus every day. He watches TV every night. We play badminton on weekends. These actions happen regularly, so they use simple present tense. Here are some examples of negative sentence. I don't like spicy food. She doesn't drink coffee. We don't go out at night. The sentence describes things that we don't usually do. Let's see some question form. Do you study English every day? Does he live in Jakarta? Do they play football after class? These questions are polite and simple, perfect for everyday conversation. The simple present is very common in our daily life. For example, if someone asks, what do you do every morning? You can answer, I wake up at 6, take a shower, eat breakfast, and go to campus. All those actions happen regularly, so we use simple present tense. The simple present is also used for scientific facts or things that never change. For example, the earth moves around the sun, or cats like milk. The sentence don't describe something happening right now. They are always true. Some learners forget the S for he, she, it. For example, she go to school is warm. It should be she goes to school or he don't like coffee. It's warm. It should be he doesn't like coffee. Always check your subject and adverb agreement carefully. These are some common verbs we often use in simple present: eat, drink, go, study, play, watch, read, work, sleep, walk. You can make many sentences with them. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. She works in a hospital. They read books every night. Sometimes people confuse simple present with present continuous. The difference is easy. Simple present describes routines. I study English every day. Present continuous describes action happening now. I am studying English now. So, every day means simple present and now means present continuous. When adding s or es, pronunciation changes a bit. For example, lesson like plays, reads like reads, fixes like fixes, and goes like goes. Remember, if the verb ends with ch, sh, x, s, or o, we usually add es. Let's summarize what we've learned. The simple present tense is used for routines, habits, and facts. Use s and es for he, she, it. Use do or does to make question or negative. And don't forget to use time expression like always or every day to make your sentence clear. That's all for my presentation about the simple present tense. I hope you can now understand how to use it in daily life. Practice by talking about your own routine. That's the best way to learn. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.